Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete a post or blog on Tumblr. Okay, I'm going to walk you through how to delete a draft in Tumblr app on your mobile phone. So the first thing you do is open the Tumblr app and make sure you're logged into the Tumblr app on your phone. If you're not, log in using your credentials. So that's the first step. Step 2, go to your account. How do you get to your account? Tap on the person circulate at the bottom of the screen. Next, which is step 3, find your drafts. Look for a section called drafts or something similar. If you do not find it, then you look for posts, and then after clicking on posts or tapping on posts, you will see the option for drafts, depending on the version you're using. Next, if you want to delete individual drafts, just one at a time, not multiple, what you do is swipe left on the draft you want to delete. A trash can icon should appear, so tap on the trash can to delete the draft. Now, if you want to delete multiple drafts, this may or may not be available depending on the version you're using. If you want to delete multiple drafts, you might have the option, like I said, depending on the version you're using. So what you do is look for a checkbox or selection option next to each draft. Then select all the drafts you want to delete and tap on the delete button. It's as simple as that. That is how to delete drafts in Tumblr using a mobile phone. Now note that the exact steps might vary slightly, like I said earlier, because of the specific version of Tumblr app you're using. So if you're still having trouble finding the draft section or deleting the draft, try searching within the app for terms like draft or saved, because if you can't find the draft section, you need to delete the draft. So if you can't find it under drafts, try saved. And I repeat, it might be under the option of posts in case you don't see it directly as draft. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button, in this case notification bell, so that you can get more and updated videos from us. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.